Welcome back on the next video. In this video, we will be covering about the oscillator matrix for the same Lux Algo. And let's go on the charts, and I will show you that how the oscillator matrix work and how we can combine with the signals and overlay indicator of same of Lux Algo again. So let's go on the charts, and we will be opening gold. Okay, so here we go. Let me just show you how do we add it again. We go here in the indicators. I have shown in my previous video that how do we purchase it, and then after that we have to click our trading view, and the invite only area will get visible once we refresh our trading view. Yeah, so we go in invite only and we click on signals and overlays of 35.3k. And after that we will be clicking on oscillator matrix. Okay, so the fun thing about the oscillator matrix is it is if you see over here, much of the people are not using this because, to be honest, they don't know how to use it. That is the real funda. Yeah, because when I was in one of the communities for Lux Algo, and last time when I was in the Dubai Expo, and I met the Lux Algo team, and I understood from them that this is one of the most superior and one of the most powerful indicator. But why 7.2k? Because there are a lot of things inside this, so people just get confused. They don't understand how to use it. But trust me, this is one of the best indicators. Yeah, let me show you how it works and how we will combine with our strategy. Let's go down on M30 time frame. This is the main part of the strategy, so you guys have to be very careful and you guys have to listen to this. Yeah, okay, so now we will be taking 5 to 6 confirmations before we execute our trade. Again, we will be taking 5 to 6 confirmations before we execute our trade. So the first confirmation is going to be the green arrow. Yeah, let's say if you want to go into the buy trade. So over here we will not see that the smart trail is red or blue or whatever. No, we will be taking 5 to 6 confirmations, and that's it. The first confirmation, we should get a buy, which should be a green arrow or giving a signal for buy. Yeah, the second we should see is the volumes bar over here. It should start turning green. Yeah, not dark green, but it should start turning green, or it should already be green, or it should be dark green. If a trend from sell, it's going in buy, so of course it's going to be gray, or it's going to be maroon, or it's going to be red, pinkish, and then the slightish green will occur. Yeah, but we need to make sure that this volume should be slightish green, or it should be dark green. Yeah, it should not be gray, or it should not be pink, or it should not be red. Understood? So first confirmation, second confirmation. Understood? The third confirmation should be that the money flow index, you see this dark maroon and this pinkish color or the reddish color, yeah, this is giving you a heavy money flow in the sell. Correct? This should be green. This should be green. Simple. If this is red, we don't trade. So the first confirmation, the second confirmation of the volumes, the third confirmation of the money flow index, the fourth confirmation should be over here. We should it should be very clear that we should be having a dot somewhere before this, or somewhere at current, or somewhere before this. Yeah, and the fifth confirmation, it's going to be here. We go into the settings, and yeah, we don't change any of the settings over here from the indicator. We click on show confluence meter, and the meter we will make it to 5 for a good visibility. Here you go. The meter should not be in the grayish or the darkish area or in the red or in the pinkish area. It should be somewhere near the light green or somewhere near the dark green. This is the fourth confirmation, and the fifth confirmation should be our hyperwave, our line, the hyperwave line. The hyperwave line should be going up. It should not be going down. Understood? So when you take this 5-6 confirmations, trust me guys, it's not going to be very difficult to remove at least 3,000 points. 1,000 points for sure. 1,000 points is 100%. Everybody can easily get 1,000 points. But as I'm saying that easily you get 1,000 points, per market at least goes 2 to 3,000 points, and even it goes more, but we will be targeting only 3,000 points. And the strategy of getting in and getting out is I have explained in my previous video. So we will be taking 3 positions. The first position is going to be 1,000 points of take profit, the second position will be 2,000 points, and the third position will be 3,000 points of take profit. As soon as the first take profit is done, for the other 2 positions we get it the break even. Yeah, the stop loss is going to be nearly 2,000 to 3,000 points, not more than this. Understood? And our entry time should be M30. Why I don't prefer H1? I prefer H1, depends on your your capital, but whenever you try to take a trade on H1, your stop loss comes really far. Yeah, so if the market goes in retracement, you will be stopped out. So I would always prefer to watch your H1, watch your H4, and do your executions on M30, ensuring that there is a signal on M30 as well. Yeah, so that is the strategy. It's very simple. I will repeat it again, that you get a one confirmation. First confirmation is the market should go in green. It should give you a buy. The second confirmation should be about your volumes. Your volume should either be green or it should be dark green. It should not be gray. Understood? Third is the money flow. Fourth is your confluencing meter, or you can take your hyperline, your hyperwave. Your hyperwave should be in buy. And your fifth confirmation, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, and 6, your dots, your buying dots. Yeah, your buying dots or your selling dots. Understood? It should give you a positive buying signal. And just make sure if your money flow index it's in red, and your hyperwave is going up, and still this is in green and this is also in green, we don't take a trade. Why over here we don't have a signal is because we just recently had a news on investing.com. We had 5-6 newses. It was going down, and we were very much sure to get a sell signal on H1 time frame, because if you see over here that the market was gone in buy, and then the market suddenly decided to reverse, and it was happening a change of trend because the purple candles came up, and over here it was, if this was a solid red candle, we would have got a sell signal, and it would have been a perfect sell signal, because the hyperwave is going down, and in this area the money flow started to become red, and we were very prepared for the volumes to go red as well. And the confluencing meter was going very down, but then all of a sudden when we got a news over here, the market decided to go up. So that's the reason Friday the market is it gets too many imbalances. The fair value gaps are not perfect, the order blocks are not respected, the supply demand, the support and resistance never respect each other, because many people on Fridays, they take their cash in, they take their cash out, so because the market is ready to close. So yeah, that is the strategy. And if you guys want, you guys can see wherever you have got a perfect buy signal, the market has shooted up like a rocket. And I shoot it up or shoot it down. I always prefer to never miss those signals. Wherever you get an arrow with the plus mark, that means the signal is very strong. Yeah. And yeah, that's it. And if you guys have any question, let me know. It's a very simple strategy, and you guys can rewind, you guys can see multiple times if you all want to understand. If you're finding some complications, in the description, join the WhatsApp channel. You can send me an email. You have any questions, I will clear your doubts. And yeah, last but not the least, that these videos are only for education purposes. They are not for financial advices, nor I'm a financial advisor. And this content is just made to promote your educational knowledge. And if you guys have any questions, as I just said, you guys can ping me, shoot me an email, or drop me on WhatsApp. I will surely get back to you guys. Thank you so much, and have a good day. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.